In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today I'll show you how to create a habit tracker in Google Sheets on desktop. We're building a simple visual system that helps you stay consistent without complicated setup. By the end, you'll have a clean tracker you can reuse every week or month. Start by opening your Google Sheet on desktop so you have full access to all the tools. Create a table layout that's easy to scan. Type habits in the first cell of the first column and list each habit underneath it, one per row. In the top row, add your timeline as headers across the sheet. You can use the days of the week if you're tracking short-term, or the numbers 1 to 31 if you're tracking a full month. Keep your headers short so everything fits neatly. Next, we'll add checkboxes to the grid where you'll record progress. Select the block of cells that corresponds to your habits and days. Don't include the header row or the habit names. Then go to Insert and click Checkbox. Instantly, each cell becomes a clickable checkbox. If you ever need more, you can drag to extend your table and the checkboxes will fill in automatically. Each day, simply mark a checkbox when you complete that habit. Keeping this interaction lightweight is key to staying consistent. Checkboxes in Google Sheets are actually true or false values behind the scenes, which makes them great for simple analytics. If you want a visual boost, you can add conditional formatting to highlight completed checkboxes. Select the same grid, open Format, then Conditional Formatting. Choose a rule that checks whether the cell is true, pick a color fill, and apply. Now, every time you check a box, it will light up, making streaks easy to see at a glance. To analyze your progress, use a COUNTIF formula to tally completed checkboxes. For example, in a summary cell at the end of a habits row, you can enter a formula that counts the number of true values in that row, giving you the total days completed. You can do the same for a column to see how many habits you completed on a specific day. If you'd like a quick completion rate, divide that count by the number of days you're tracking and format it as a percentage. That's the entire setup. Keep your sheet tidy, reuse the structure each week or month, and let the checkboxes do the heavy lifting for your motivation and accountability. And that's how you create a habit tracker in Google Sheets on desktop.